So, welcome guys. Today we'll be doing some hacking, and I found this website called pornable.kr, and it's capture the flag website. So you are given a task and you have to complete the task. So I've completed the first three and the fifth one. Let's do the fourth. So mommy told me to make a passcode based login system. My first trial implementation is he compiled without any error. Well, there are some compiler warning, but who cares about that? Yes, exactly. So just SSH into the server, the password, and yeah, so we are on the server. Let's list the file. Let's first get the implementation. Okay, so it's a big implementation. Let's have a local copy of this implementation. So I'm just going to copy it into a scratch file. So let's go with main.c, and that's it, I guess. Just include. Okay, what is our approach? After long discussion, I got to know what will be the approach. So we will be having, okay, so first what we'll be doing, we will be getting the offset, because see, the welcome and the login is directly next to each other, so they will both be using the same EBP anchor. So they will be having the same anchor. What does that mean is that in the stack, suppose this is the stack, this is the anchor, and inside our program, let me just do it. Okay, so inside our program we will be having our stack pointer, like EBP, that's the anchor right here, and we will also be having, just let me change the color of this thing. Okay, so that's nice. We have our stack like this. Now on examining the hex dump of our binary right here, I got to know that the int passcode 1 lives at -10 from EBP, hex -10 from EBP. So it lives hex -10 from EBP, and inside welcome, if you go inside welcome, our name lives at hex -70 from EBP. So our name lives at hex 70 before EBP. So the initial, our hex 60, can be garbage, but if we wrote the address of fflush, so okay, now that's nice. Why? How can we do this? Okay, so welcome and login are next to each other, so they will be using the same call stack, and because they will be using the same call stack, first welcome will be having this call stack, then our login will be using this call stack. So I could write specific bytes in this call stack area and trick login into collecting the garbage value into the int passcode. So int passcode will have some garbage value, and we are controlling what garbage value does it have. We want the garbage value to be the address of fflush. Why? Okay, so the explanation in the video was not really good, so I'm here at editing time telling you what we are actually doing. So scanf scans into int passcode. Since passcode is an int value, we can trick the function login into collecting some specific garbage value from the previous call stack and it's storing it into int passcode. Now since scanf scans into int passcode, we can have the int passcode value an integer that is actually the fflush, the address of fflush, and we can write the address of printf, that printf statement, into the address of fflush, so it would effectively skip all of the thing till printf and then print login ok and all those things. So yeah, it is that simple. Go and check the login function for the system thing. So we now know that we are calling this thing at the address 80492B2. okay, so we are having two calls. So what we can actually do is we can either try and directly call this. So I'm going to do that first. I'm going to directly call this first. So let's write a Python script. So we need command here that will be print. I wanted to print character A 96 times because that is hex 60. So hex 60 is just 96. 16 6 are 96. Then I want to write the address of any garbage. So not any garbage, that value that I copied, this garbage. So in reverse order cause it is little endian. So C4 hex C4 92 hex 92 048 hex 40 hex 8. Let me just check this once again. Inside login, where we have the system call, like we are calling this system function. So it's C492048 C492048. So it's not 40, it's 04048. This will be our name, so mind it. Let's go run our program. So what was that program? I forgot the name. Passcode. Okay, run passcode. Okay, I didn't close, or what did I do? Unique code escape, can't decode bytes in portion 12 14. Why? Is it this thing? Name error. Name this is not defined. It should be correct. So we have the address, the correct offset right here. I just need to write it. So we have our system call right here. So we need to divide this into bytes correctly. So first 2 byte, next 2, next 2, and 4. So /4. It's /4 C9 2. I messed up. Just rewrite. So we have the bytes as hex in reverse order, so it's hex 4. So it's hex 04. Then we have 2C, so it's 2C, hex 2C. Then we have 4980, so hex 49, hex 80. So this should work, I guess. And just pipe this into it's sad login failed. Let me check. Wait a minute. We should be writing. Okay, I got to know. It is right, so we are writing this. But this is not what we should be writing. You know what we should actually write? We want the global for flush. So we need flush, f flush. So we need to write this at this address. So it's in reverse order, so 08 04 C0 14. So 0804 C014. We have to write this passcode into passcode, obviously. That's the first thing. It said login failed. Well, let me do it again. I'm piping it. Okay, so enter your name. Welcome this thing. Then I need to enter the passcode. Okay, so I shouldn't be null terminating this. Let's go with this is the exact thing that we should put. Okay, now we need to print the address into passcode 1. So 0804 C014 is the flush global offset. Okay, that's nice. and I need inside login system. Where's system? Okay, here's system. So it's 8492 C4. So I guess it should be working. That's nice. So now since we have printed this, we need to print the address that was 80492C4 into the passcode. So I guess that should be it. So let's go /n plus I first need to convert that to decimal. Let's convert it to decimal, and decimal for hex 8, so it's 0804 92C4. so 92C4, it is this big number. Let's copy this thing, and I guess I can just paste this right here. So this thing it isn't a code. I'm pretty sure it isn't code. 1345 17444 and we can tourniquet this, I guess, and pipe that into passcode. Okay, so it said that wouldn't work. Let me see why. So it's hex 14, hex C0, and syntax error in decimal literal. Why? It said there is an error. Invalid decimal literal. Okay, let's go this thing. It said login failed. Can only concatenate string, not int to string. My man, it's not int. Let's go with this thing. Okay, it said login failed. Why it said login failed? I have to check it again. This is equal then. Okay. For flush, is this correct? 0804C014. So 0804C014. Yes, it is. And yep. Where is that? Where's the system thing? Where are we calling that system thing? So inside login, we are calling this thing. So we are calling system with some arguments. Okay, so instead of jumping to this, I should try and jump to this, because 0804 9299. So 0804 9299. Let's try and jump to this address. Okay, 707401. Yes, let's try and jump to this address. Let's also move slash and inside. Let's try this. Oh, not this one, man. Let's try and jump to this address. It isn't allowing me to do it. Why? It should allow me to do it. 9299 is the address for calling PUTS with the given arguments, obviously. It should work. Okay, so inside login, we are jumping to this thing. But before, I'm such a dumb person, man. We are loading the effective address, so I have to first jump to this thing. I'm such a dumb person. Just provide me what this thing means. Just say me what this thing means. So hex 135147437. Let's go. Let's have our old Python code right here. And let's have this thing right this. Okay. It again says login failed. I don't know why. We have readme right here. So it's checking and it's I don't know, man. I don't know what's wrong. Inside login, we are also having these things. Let's try and jump to this thing. So it's 7391. Okay. It's it's a 391. It still says login failed. I don't know why, but it still says login failed. Python, I'm so dumb. Python actually skipped writing to these things, so it's obvious that it wouldn't work. let me try something different. So after some time I figured out that writing using os.sys out is actually better. So okay, so the permission is denied for this thing. So I now know where I have to jump. I have to jump at the exact point in login where we are getting this system to this thing. We have to jump exactly right here when we are tricking the system into giving us the privilege. So either here, so let's jump right here. So first convert this thing. Well, I am having something right here that I could use. Let's go 1 5 7. Okay, so 5 1 7 3 9 1 7 3 9 1. Okay, so we got the flag right here. Just try this, and I got 20 points. My man. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.